don't use a hammer on a screw, and you shouldn't use the wrong tools on your EDC gear either. Just like all working parts, EDC gear needs maintenance, and Box 4 of EDC Box Club Executive Level is going to give you the right tools for the job. Let's check it out. Box number 4 of EDC Box Club Executive Level is themed the right tool for the job. Let's check out what's inside. When you open your box this month, the first thing you're going to find is your information card as usual, and you'll see that this is themed the right tool for the job. You're going to get a bunch of great tools in this box that'll all fit perfectly into your executive level Nalpak case that you got early on in the year. And these will help you keep all of your EDC items clean and well maintained so that they're ready for you at any time. So we got a Gerber Multitool. We got a really cool Tech Accessories tie tape and a Meritak pen driver and a 3-lube combo from KPL. So the retail value of this box, $257. What a great deal for you guys. Let's check out each item individually. So first things first, here's our sticker pack. We've got our 5 years of EDC specialties in color hologram and the queen of the multi-tool EDC, the evil damn cat. All she needs is a roll of duct tape and her EDC box club, and she's a Meowgiver. All right, so let's start with the KPL. KPL, widely known as one of the best knife lubes. This is made for knives. KPL stands for Knife Pivot Lube. And this 3-pack gives you an ultralight, an original, and a heavy lube. So depending upon what knife you're using it on, bearings or washers, you can choose the right viscosity for your specific use. Next is our Tech Accessories tie tape. Now we sell so many of these in the store. These are a great little item. This tie tape is a titanium encased 3-foot tape measure, and this can be set up to be put on your keychain. You can read the instructions that come on the card, and you can install this and put it on your keychain. We've gone ahead and engraved it with your Lack Fear Not Gear logo for your EDC Box Club. And then anytime you need a quick tape measure, you'll be there and ready with your tie tape from Tech Accessories. An exclusive DLC. Nobody else has this. This is going to be a real hit with our Box Club members for sure. And then finally, we do have one more item in here. This is the Meritak pen driver. This is a super cool pen driver. So this item is a full titanium driver that we went ahead and did a custom ano job on for you and did the EDC Box Club logo on the clip. This comes with a few different driver bits. You can see that the original one that comes in there is the Phillips head, and it's a standard 1/4-inch driver. It's gonna sit right in there like that. You'll be able to work on your tools. But check it out, underneath the cap, and it's waterproof. It's got an O-ring in there, by the way. It comes with an extra O-ring. You've got 3 more bits to keep your standard tools maintained. If you need to switch those out to any particular bits that you want, certainly feel free to do that. This driver is meant to be used the way you need it to use, and that'll fit perfectly in one of the slots in your Nalpak case also, as will the main tool, which is the Gerber MP600. This is one of our favorite multi-tools. A multi-tool is really important in EDC. This is something that's indisposable. You can really do a lot of things with the multi-tool, and this Gerber is engraved with the EDC Box Club logo. So, hope you get great use out of all of your EDC Box Club stuff from EDC Box Club Executive Level, month number 4.